Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable WireGuard VPN for secure VPS-to-VPS access. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your VPS using SSH. Ensure that your system is up to date by running the command for your package manager. For Ubuntu, use sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. For CentOS, use sudo yum update y. Now, install WireGuard. On Ubuntu, type sudo apt install WireGuard y. For CentOS, use sudo yum install Apple release and in sudo yum install WireGuard tools y. Next, generate key pairs for the WireGuard setup. Run wg gen key t private key wg pub key public key. This will create two files, private key and public key in your current directory. Store these keys securely. Now, create the WireGuard configuration file. For Ubuntu, type sudo nano /etc/WireGuard /wg0.conf. For CentOS, the same command applies. In the configuration file, begin with the following settings. Set the interface section by adding interface followed by address and listen port. Under address, use a private subnet like 10.0.0.1/24. Set listen port to 51820. Next, add the private key to the configuration. Include private key equals followed by the content of your private key file. Now, to allow connections from the other VPS, add a peer section. Start with peer followed by public key and allowed IPs. Add the public key of the remote VPS you want to connect to. Under allowed IPs, specify the private IP address of that server. Save the configuration and exit the editor. Make sure to enable IP forwarding. Run echonet.ipv4.ip_forward equals 1 sudo tia/etc/sysctl.conf. Then apply the changes with sudo sysctlp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.